So what's the prediction for the market locally here? The Milpitas Post had a wonderful article last week. San Francisco Bay Area will outperform rest of the nation in 2025, according to the MLS Listings Partner Economist. And I would have to say that's true because we have tremendous demand. Let me share with you the activity level I had at my open house this past weekend. Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Indihar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. We're almost halfway through December, so wrapping things up here for 2024 and really looking forward to an amazing 2025. So I'll be talking about that on this video. Some predictions here, where interest rates are today. I'll share with you my activity I had over the weekend, and then another great open house that I've got coming up soon this coming weekend. So let me dive into interest rates. So the Federal Reserve Board will be meeting this week, probably midweek, and it's expected to drop about another 1/4%. We don't see a 0.5% drop, but maybe a 1/4%. How that's going to fare into mortgage rates is kind of up in the air and a question mark. Typically, we do see some reduction in interest rates, but that's for short-term rates like car loans, credit card debt, personal loans. Those are affected, but not really long-term mortgage rates. However, the long-term mortgage rates are coming down a bit more, and we're down into the mid-6s, 6% for most rates, and looking to maybe get better than that, hopefully, as we start 2025. So what's the prediction for the market locally here? The Milpitas Post had a wonderful article last week. San Francisco Bay Area will outperform rest of the nation in 2025, according to the MLS Listings Partner Economist. And I would have to say that's true because we have tremendous demand. Let me share with you the activity level I had at my open house this past weekend. I was at 168 Woodland Way in Milpitas, that's in the Pines. The Pines are located near the light rail, BART, mass transit, VTA, and the Great Mall. And so it's got a great transit center. And I was out there Saturday and Sunday. Price point is $1,698,000 for an 1,800 square foot home. We had over 80 families through in the 2-day weekend open house. It was amazing, the amount of demand and the amount of foot traffic that came through. So if you're thinking about getting your home ready very quickly, now is a great time. The market is amazing. So I had 45 downloads of disclosures. That's agents that have gotten the reports, the termite and the property inspection reports, seller's disclosure. They're getting them out there to their potential buyers who may be making offers. So offers are due tomorrow at noon, and I am expecting probably about 8 to 10 offers. Might even get a little bit more than that. So very excited. The sellers are really excited to review offers, and I'll be able to tell you next week on the video what we got for that home and that price point. So what do I have coming up? This weekend, I've got 949 Galindo Court in Milpitas in the Hillcrest area. That's just one of the most executive top areas. A few months ago, I talked about the different areas of Milpitas, and Hillcrest is located up near the hills off Piedmont Road and Landis Avenue, that quadrant, and Sequoia Avenue in Milpitas. They're executive style homes. This is the largest model, 3,389 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's got a bedroom and bathroom downstairs, an amazing, huge kitchen, huge living room, huge family room, and even a bonus room with the fire. There's 3 fireplaces in the home. The price point on this one is $3,189,000. It is in the Synod Elementary School, which is the #1 school in Milpitas, and it's always been a big driver on value of homes, that Synod School. So open Saturday, Sunday, 2 to 4, both dates, and also the following weekend. We want to do 2 weekends before we look at offers on this particular home. So if you're interested in doing a private tour of the home, you can give me a call at 408-945 8988 or stop by the open house. Be happy to greet you and show you this beautiful, beautiful home. So coming up, I've got a Parktown home in Milpitas at 1697 Big Bend Drive. We're getting that prep. The contractor is going to be starting on the 23rd of this month, doing full interior paint, hardwood floor refinishing, new carpets, and we'll get that professionally cleaned, staged, photographed, and ready for about mid-January. We'll be opening that up for an open house if you want to put that on your calendar. Price point on that one is $1,598,888. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and should be a great property. That is the Rose Elementary School, by the way, for that particular home. Well, I'll close for now. Hope you're not getting too hectic out there during this holiday season. I know it's busy season of time getting ready for families and all that, but there certainly are a lot of buyers out there looking for homes, and it is definitely a seller's market. You can also send me an email, giordanodj@aol.com. Be happy to meet you. I've got a couple sellers I'm meeting this week, and they're talking about readily getting the home on the market, if not this month, next month. And then a lot of stuff happening in the springtime. So please call, and be happy to meet you. And we can get a prep list and get your home ready for this amazing market. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.